All right, this is our last day of literacy for learning about the letter S and the sound it makes. What I am suggesting you do is that you put out different types of modalities. I'm always in love with taking a paintbrush and a box of sand or a sandbox that you have and having the students make the letter S's in the sand with paintbrushes. Another thing could be is they could paint letter S's on a big mural. You could dip in a bigger paintbrush and they could paint S's, or they could trace S's in Play-Doh. And then really the last day of learning about the letter S and the sound it makes is them really getting kinesthetic and using their hands to create S's. So think about maybe putting out some stations today or some things to do. Pencil to paper S's, Play-Doh S's, stamping S's, in the sandbox S's, painting S's, marker S's, anything that really gets them excited about drawing and writing the letter S, even water, even if they paint disappearing S's too, it gets them to really get into the rhythm to create the geometric pattern that the S makes, right? So uppercase and lowercase, I would encourage that. So putting out some things and having them do that, even if you didn't have a sandbox, you could put a big old margarine tub, fill it with rice or beans, and they could trace the letter S in the rice or the beans. Anything's possible. So today I encourage a whole bunch of letter S making, and as they do that, ask them to say the sound. All right. Have a beautiful day. Happy literacy, happy learning, and I will see you soon.